each category, and you can also add in your geo modifier. So
Remember, each category that you pick in Google Places needs to have a video corresponding to that category title and in the same category as YouTube.
like if your business is in San Diego, you would have, Invisalign might be one of your, excuse me, not keywords, but category might be dentist. So, or cosmetic dentist. So you could do one for cosmetic dentist San Diego, and that would be a good keyword for that video. Okay, but there's more to it than that. So here we are. When we log into our YouTube, the first thing you're going to see, I don't know if you've noticed this yet, I'm sure you have, but it's got an opportunity to upgrade your account. Now Google calls it an upgrade. It's basically another way of linking all of these different things together and getting them all to communicate with one another and be a sort of a branded presence online. And that's really kind of what Google is pushing everybody towards, is so that everything is becoming from one voice, and that it's not just a bunch of random bits. It's their attempt to connect everything in a cohesive way so that search becomes more meaningful, number one, and number two, so that companies can come along and game the system as easily as they were doing, and they have been doing here for the last few years.
So remember, Google's going after GeoIP photos, and they want you to upgrade to Google Places so that they can put everything into one great search so that nobody can game the system.
If you have a client situation, again, we want to interlink all of the Google properties, all the Google accounts that client has. So if they have a Google Plus, you want to make sure that your login information for the YouTube is the same as their Google Plus, and then that way anything that happens on YouTube gets recorded on their Google Plus. It all becomes interrelated and connected. So next, let's get into a video, and I'm going to show you a little bit of just basic optimization and some other things on what to do to bring that back to your Google Places page. Okay, so here we are in a video that I actually created for a product, but the ideas are essentially the same. What you want to do, instead of your product name here, you would have your keyword, and in our case, again, we want to make sure that we're using the 5 videos. We want to make sure that those are matching the categories that are on the Google Places listed. So, for example, if one of our categories was dentist, then we would want to say something like dentist San Diego and then the business name up here. Okay, that would be basically how we would want to do that. And then
So up at the top of the video, the title of the video, you're going to want it to be the same as the category and also named the city. So you need to match your Google Places categories and the cities with the title of each video.
Okay, that would be basically how we would want to do that. And then coming down here, okay, same idea. You're going to categorize this. You can put it in on the category that makes sense for the business. That's fine. That's not going to be a huge deal breaker if this is not completely accurate. But I try to get this right whenever possible. So, for instance, if it's a fitness client that I'm dealing with, then I want to make sure that I'm in a fitness-related category for them. If it's something that's more of a beauty type of client, like a day spa or salon, then I want to make sure that I'm in at least a somewhat related category here for them. On these videos, I want to make sure that I've got a good, strong call to action. I want to do the basic video optimization that all of us know about, where we have the URL for the website. It's got to be the same exact URL every single time so that it clearly matches the business owner's website.
The URL must match the business owner's website that you've put into Google Places, and the same website that you reference on Google Plus.
And then we want to have just a blurb about what this video was about. And then at the end of the video, we want to just simply say again, and for more information, please visit our website. Now, as far as the video itself, at the end, in the last frame, we want to also have a call to action there. Click through to our website for more information, or get our free guide on blah blah blah. Anything like that is a good idea. It's also not a bad idea to have a scrolling URL box on the bottom. In other words, just HTTP, their website, throughout the video, or at the very least, their branded icon in one of the corners is a good idea. It just brands that video so that when it's back on the Google Places listing, it's not only going to say from the owner, but it's going to have their logo on there. Okay, so that covers the essentials for the video optimization, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, next we're going to optimize the videos on our Google Places listing. And